Hey guys, it's Jeffrey with Forever I Trade, and we're looking at the NASDAQ and the Russell here. And what we're looking to do is technically trade, right? Let's look at the movement and what we have going on both charts. Pick a chart, as long as you got the direction right. Your accuracy pretty much goes up, right? So let's just trade what we see and be patient. Right now on the NASDAQ, we have clearly a downtrend. On the Russell, it's clearly a downtrend. Alright, so we're starting to pull up, right? MACD line is pointing up, so we're looking at momentum to the upside. Same here in the NASDAQ, we're looking for momentum to the upside, but be careful, just don't get trapped down here. Alright, and just play your cards right. Be careful, looking for failures off of the 20 and off of the 50. On the Russell, it's already penetrated the 50, but we still have another big high to break here. Alright, so be patient and let's just see what this market is going to do. Alright, hey guys, you see what this NASDAQ is doing. Alright, created a new low, so let's see if it's going to continue to follow through. We don't know yet. Right, this could be a scare tactic, get traders out who's hanging down here. As far as having their stops, waiting for it to pop up. So let's just wait and see if this is going to give us some strength up, or if we're going to go back down off this big bar. Right, we can chop it in half here, but you may want to wait, see what's going on. Don't rush it, don't chase it. This bar is already formed. You're at the low, so you're either going to catch it with an exit. Exit up here is too far, right? Way too many points. You're looking at almost 20 points, right? Just to gain. I mean, if you got in right here, I mean, you gotta be a quick in and out, right? So just let's be careful. All right, we're honestly going the direction that we want to go, which is down. Right now we're waiting for the Russell to give us something to look towards. So let's just keep watching, guys. Be patient, don't rush it, and wait for your setup. If your setup is a pullback and you either have a pin bar or you have maybe a 50% halt where it just comes up and just trickles up, and you see a sell setup off of a green candle, you sell it with an exit. You got your exit, you're safe, get your profit, right? And maybe just one trade for the day can set you up, right? That 400 a day, 100,000 a year, not bad, right? So just be patient. We're looking at 2 contracts. It's a 10-point volatility on the NASDAQ, 1 point on the Russell. All right, so let's watch this fall. This is what we want. This is what we're looking for. This is what we get googly eyes for, so we can do something like this, so we can wait for the next setup. That's what we want. Just wait. All right. So to pull off of this, this marker here, which is the previous low, could be a nice long trade with an exit, of course. And maybe I got a little too late, but you know, I'm a daredevil. I'll definitely pull a trade out the hat if I think it's worth it. And, you know, that tested me. I got in a little too late. So could have got a quick scalp here. But, you know, make that first trade, guys. Right? And why did I do that trade? In harmony with the trend, it came down to support. I took a long trade. It went against me, and I'm okay with that. So now we're going to see what it wants to do from here. Does it want to continue going down? Possibly, right? So we'll just wait and see if it's going to make a new low here, or if it wants to start popping back up. You know, maybe it's very sharp. It could make a V and come back up here, or it could continue going down. There's nothing really down here right now, but you know, let's just watch the show. Let's watch the show, guys. Let's see what it really wants to do. Right? The market controls the game, and we just got the controller, so we get to press buttons. So let's just press these buttons that are calculated, and let's see if we can get in on a good trade. Not too many trades, and just follow the rules, all right, and let the market give what it wants to give. All right, trade for me for about an hour, so we have maybe another 30 minutes before we can shut the doors. Oh, look at that drop, guys. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. I wanted to sell the Dow of, I guess that's the micro Dow. Okay, micro Dow. I guess the trade is a trade, so we'll see if it will continue down or if it's gonna pop back up. Let's just see. Oh, okay. We'll take that. I mean, maybe that was a $10 loss. We'll take that. All right, let's be patient, guys. We're down to support now on the Russell. Well, that's the Dow, so we'll actually change the tool. A live trade, because it's actually where I don't mind, but let's let it penetrate past this hammer, and let's see what the market still wants to give us. All right, still looking to short though, right? So just hang tight. Let's see what happens. Actually, let's take this trade, just one contract. Let's let it break here. Let's see what happens. Come on, there we go. Okay, breaking out. Let's break out. Let's see what happens. NASDAQ is still trundling down like a good boy. Let's see what he wants to do. I mean, I would love for this to make a hammer. If it creates a hammer, I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Created a hammer. So let's see if it's gonna show some love. I hope so. I mean, I would love for it to. Put me in the game. Let's go. Can you hit the first target? Can you hit it? Yes, you can. First target hit. Now we're gonna wait for the next target, which would be the next resistance, which is the previous low. And let's see if it's gonna take that out. And let's see where we're at in the trading game. Come on, NASDAQ. You're doing good. You're pushing through. You can easily get up here. Easily. Man, you gotta love those green digits, right? Isn't it beautiful? All right, come on. I don't know. I may short it if it doesn't. I mean, it took this bar out. It could easily create another couple of bars. So just be careful, guys. Or it can smash right down if it doesn't hit that target. It did pull back. So now you want to wait for it to do something. Honestly, you want it to hit that target, right? Hit the target. Come on, Mr. NASDAQ. Let's go. There we go. Beautiful, right? What did we do? Saw the hammer and a crazy down. That's just crazy. Look at these red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. See a hammer, you got to take those, right? I have my risk, and look what it's doing. It's pushing through. The Dow, the Dow is still, it's doing this thing right now. Let's add support. And it's kind of an inside bar, so it's not like a crazy trade to take. You can assume that this trade here is going to hold it, right? And we're looking for a jump up. maybe not all the way up here, but we're looking for something to give us some good penetration. All right, and look at the green. You want to see the green, so let the green keep penetrating and let the green keep showing you what it wants to do. And let's just play the market, right? If you're crazy uncomfortable, put yourself in profit, right? And then there's no loss today. There's no loss for you today, right? And we'll play that as it is. And then we're looking here at the NASDAQ, and I'm curious to see what the NASDAQ wants to do. All right, let's see. Come on down. Let's see what you got. There we go. Take that. Man, it's a game, guys. You just gotta be patient, right? So let's see right now what the NASDAQ is willing to do. I'll leave the YM alone. And then let's see what the Russell wants to do. Alright, crosses up. And we may be looking for, honestly, we're still looking for a short, which is 50 under this 20. Alright. Okay, nice jump on the NASDAQ. Honestly, we're still looking for shorts. No longs right now. This is not so much a good signal, so we'll wait. Honestly, good signal if it takes it out, right? So we could potentially go short with this green candle being taken out, possibly if it's coming down with strength. And then I kind of figured that, but you gotta take it, right? You gotta take it sometimes and see if it still wants to push through. And now let's wait for the 20. Right, we'll wait for the 20. Let's see what it's gonna do, guys. All right, man. Look at this NASDAQ, guys. Look what it's doing. Came up a little bit. This is halfway, so I'm gonna be upset if it touched this and then decided to bounce back down. But you gotta be careful. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You gotta be able to understand that these jumps are really big, right? They just lost another 100 there. So let's see. All right, let's see what it wants to do. If it wants to come up and go back down, wants to come up here. So just be patient. I want to catch a good trade right now. It looked like it wants to take this maybe take this bar out. I can't really tell. It's jumping. I don't want to move my stop lower. I could, but I'm just risking too much on a 10-point volatility. So I'm gonna be patient. I'm using my losses well. As you can see, it's definitely jumping. Right, which is what you want to see. You want to see just kind of go in another direction. It's not gonna stay down here forever, but you want to go with the trend. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen in the next few seconds. I kind of like this one. I want to take a short trade right here. Maybe not right there. Let me see. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try it again. I actually like the potential. It's killing me, guys. It's not really doing me any justice here. My stop is really tight though, on purpose. On purpose, guys. On purpose. Come on, let's feed me. Let's give me a good one here, if possible. Come down here. And let's see if it wants to reward me for my patience. It's very possible to get rewarded for your patience if you're patient. And right now I want to see if this is a patient trade. All right. and I'll show you what potentially I would have made for the day. If these were like live trades, I actually would have taken myself, right? Versus people just not taking trades. I take trades, guys. I've lost tons of money doing this, but it's a lesson, right? You trade and you learn, and you actually learn how to trade your own money. It's a good thing, man. All right, so not afraid to get out of trades either if it's not giving me what I want. I'm being patient though. I want to put myself in profit just in case. I just can't trust it sometimes. So let's see if it wants to still pull down in the direction that we want. Why? It's under the 20. Created another low. Came up, failed. Created this bar here, closed this green bar out, and now we're waiting for it to hit our first target here. And if it does, this can be a good day. Sometimes you want to put up a little higher just to show us some love. But let's see. Let's be patient, guys. Come on. Let's hit the target, guys. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's go. We're almost there. Beautiful. Let's go. There we go. Let's tap it. Oh, man. Finally. Okay. So now we can potentially see some downward motion here. It did hit this low. I'm a biased guy, so for me, I gotta come back right above it. And let's see if it wants to continue going down. But this is a beautiful trade. Honestly, maybe I see another 400. I may get out that trade. I mean, I've made quite a bit of money right now. So I kind of want to see what it's gonna do. Put its push down. Just be patient, guys. Let's watch. Let's just watch the show. There we go. Beautiful. Yep. Come on. There we go. I don't mind trailing you now. Yeah, I don't mind trailing you. There we go. If you want to hit it, hit it. You want to tap it? Let's go. Let's go, NASDAQ. All right. This is with 2 contracts. All right. So I'm not going to be afraid to put myself in profit. And let's see if it wants to continue down or not. It could go back up, of course, but I want to see where this bar would like to jump down. Okay, there we go. We're gonna be done for the day, guys. Not a bad trading day. If you ask me, not a bad trading day. Maybe 365 on that push down. So we'll stick with that. All right, good trading, guys. Remember, stick to your rules, man. Just be patient. Like, I stopped out of here like 3 times, but look at the reward. And I lost some money at first. I was down quite a bit. I don't know, quite a bit. Maybe $200, maybe $300, maybe not. It kind of works out. All right, so be patient, guys. This can take care of you for a day, right? 30 minutes of work, not bad. Took too many trades, but we are gonna get over trading, right? Strategy, scalping, sometimes it's a fake move. You just gotta have a wider stop. I choose not to. I choose to get in and be patient. But thank you guys for watching this, man. If you see anything that you would do different, tell me, please. I'm curious to know, so I can learn from all of you guys as well. The Forever I Trade community is a Forever I Trade. Is always learning. No one's better than anybody, but everybody's great, right? Everybody's a good trader, right? You have to believe that you are, though. All right, guys. You guys take it easy. Go back and look at these charts. These are futures, NASDAQ, Russell 2-minute chart, and we are following a trend. All right, following the trend, following the trend. We got him right here. It was a good trend. Missed this little boat, but not a bad push down. All right, guys, have a good day. Forever I trade. Thank you.